Stock ticker symbol PVCT, currently traded at 0398. Right now, the last time that we went over this one's going to be on the 10th of February, which is going to be, oh, that's way back here since this. All right, so I said watch 0180, bounce off the 10-day simple moving average. Could be setting up for a possible move. 0215 resistance, big support at 0176. And you guys, guess what? Boom, right through there, made it above that 10-day simple moving average and took off of that. Congratulations, everybody that watches these videos, and thank you for bringing this back to us to cover again. So let's take a look at what's going on right now. You guys are outside that upper Bollinger Band right now. It could flex to it, and what I mean by that is by the end of this day, that Bollinger Band could expand some and come up. It all depends on how this plays out. But right now, the volume has dropped off a little bit. It could definitely start pulling back. You're going to have a level down here. I can snap up at the 03 area. It's very possible that it could come back down to that level. Other than that, the second support line is going to be right there at the 0348 area that I would be keeping an eye on. Off of that, you are at another one. So that's kind of good because we can put that up there to kind of give you a better idea. And that being said, oh, look, the resistance after that's actually up towards the 5-cent mark. All right, so let's go ahead and pay attention to what we're looking at right now. I think that we gave you a little bit of things to look forward to as far as levels. 0398 right now. We're going to be watching for that 039. Actually, this level that I just put on here could come down to that 98. That's where it's at, 95 to be exact. We're going to be watching for that to hold. I personally think that it might end up pulling down to the 0348 area. And then after that could be the 3. We're going to watch how this plays out. It's just that the buying pressure really weakened up. I mean, look at when the volume comes in, pop, 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 this thing could rock. I mean, pop, 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 this thing could. It's funny. I'm sorry, but hey, you know what? I'm just telling you guys how it is. So 0398, and I'm going to type this up, and Joe can tell you a little bit about this, and we're going to move on.
All right. So the last time we looked at it was what 210.
Yes.
All right. So, I mean, there's a lot of things going on with this company. You figure on December 28th, they announced that they terminated Peter Culpepper as interim CEO and COO. And then, there's obviously more and more updates. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I mean, since the last one was on February 24th, so I'll just pull that up. But I mean, there's a lot of different things for you guys. If you're interested in this particular company, obviously you want to do your due diligence. All right, so Provectus Biopharmaceuticals provides information on rights offering deadline. So Provectus Biopharmaceuticals, a clinical stage oncology and dermatology biopharmaceutical company, today is providing, or on February 24th, providing additional information regarding the deadline to participate in its previously announced rights offering of up to 19 million units consisting of shares of common stock in Series C convertible preferred stock to existing stockholders and holders of listed warrants. So, as previously announced, the rights offering will remain open until 5 p.m. Eastern Time on March 3rd, 2017. However, if rights holders are exercising subscription rights through a broker, dealer, bank, or other nominee, they should promptly contact their nominee and submit subscription documents and payment for the unit subscribed for in accordance with the instructions and within the time period provided by such nominee. So, and basically it just goes on to, like, if you want to, participate in that offering, then you obviously, you're going to go and look at this press release and, it tells you how to do it. For me to sit there and read all this, you guys would probably drive you crazy. Other than that, the company itself, Provectus, is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing new therapies for the treatments of solid tumor cancers and dermatological diseases. Provectus investigational oncology drug PV10 is an oncological immunotherapy currently enrolling patients in a phase 3 clinical trials for metastatic melanoma. The company has received orphan drug designations from the FDA for its melanoma and hepatocellular carcinoma indications. PH10 is topical investigational drug, has completed phase 2 clinical trials as a treatment for optical dermatitis and psoriasis. Information about these and the company's other clinical trials can be found at the NIH registry. So you can go right over to the clinicaltrials.gov and you can see obviously you'd want to do that. when you research in any company like this, you want to go back and look at their phase 2, clinical trials to get a sense of where they stood. Obviously, it was good enough for them to go into a phase 3, so that's that. If you are interested in the company and looking to learn more about it, go right over to the PVCT board over on Investors Hangout, and from there you can go to the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, filings, financials, buy rating, and if you have an opinion or you're looking for an opinion, feel free to share it on the message board over there. And we have tens of thousands of daily investors using the site, so I'm sure somebody will share an opinion likewise with you. So that's pretty much that.
All right. Again, with the chart, one last time, 0398 could pull back from here. If buying does not pick up, support at 0398, 0348, and 03. Resistance at 05. All depends on buying pressure, in my opinion. You guys heard it here. That's what we're going to be watching. Again, with PVCT, if you found the stock and want to keep up with other hot stocks, definitely encourage you to subscribe and hit that like button. We truly do appreciate that. And also, if there's any other stocks that you're following other than this one, I definitely encourage you to go ahead and head over to investorshangout.com/live. We'll take your hot stock and add it to the list for the next set of videos.